issued a tornado warning for northern Martin County in southwestern Indiana, southeastern Greene County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Lawrence County in south-central Indiana, northeastern Davies County in southwestern Indiana, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Bloomfield, or 25 miles west of Bedford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Crane around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Owensburg, Silverville, and Williams. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.